Welcome to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point. The Toyota 1.5 hybrid M15A-FXE engine is a relatively new addition to Toyota's dynamic force engine family, specifically designed for compact hybrid vehicles. It's a three-cylinder engine known for its high thermal efficiency and integration into Toyota's latest hybrid synergy drive system. It powers models like the Toyota Yaris Hybrid, Yaris Cross Hybrid, Aqua, and Lexus LBX. Review and opinions. Overall, generally viewed as a highly efficient and reliable powertrain for smaller hybrid vehicles. Owners appreciate its excellent fuel economy and the smooth operation of the hybrid system, especially in urban settings. Performance. While it's a three-cylinder, the hybrid system provides a surprising amount of torque, especially from a standstill, making it feel adequately powerful for daily driving in its target vehicles, subcompacts, and compact crossovers. Some users note a slight jolt when the engine starts up at a standstill. Refinement. NVH being a three-cylinder, some reviews mention it could be a bit rowdy or have a metric F** kind of vibration and sounds like a lawnmower under hard acceleration compared to a four-cylinder. However, others find it about as smooth as larger Toyota hybrids, suggesting that Toyota has put significant effort into mitigating three-cylinder vibrations. Its quietness in EV mode is often praised. Reliability. As a newer Toyota hybrid engine, it carries Toyota's strong reputation for reliability. The simpler port injection, compared to D4S on some other dynamic force engines, is often cited as a positive for long-term reliability and less carbon buildup concerns by some. Advantages. Exceptional fuel economy. This is its standout feature, achieving very high thermal efficiency, around 40 to 41%, due to its Atkinson cycle operation, long piston stroke, high compression ratio, 14:1, and optimized combustion. This translates to market-leading fuel consumption figures. Compact and lightweight. Being a three-cylinder, it's more compact and lighter than a comparable four-cylinder, aiding in vehicle packaging and overall efficiency. Proven hybrid synergy drive. It's integrated into the latest generation of Toyota's highly refined and reliable hybrid synergy drive, THS2, system, which manages power delivery between the engine and electric motors seamlessly. Port fuel injection. Unlike some other dynamic force engines, the M15A-FXE uses port injection, which generally leads to less carbon buildup on intake valves compared to direct injection-only systems. Good low-end torque. With electric assist, the electric motor provides instant torque from 0 RPM, compensating for the three-cylinder engine's inherent characteristics and making urban driving brisk and responsive. Reduced maintenance on ancillaries. Eliminates traditional starter motor and alternator, reducing potential failure points. Disadvantages. Vibration and noise. Under load as a three-cylinder engine, it can exhibit more vibration and noise, particularly when accelerating hard or at higher RPMs, compared to four-cylinder counterparts. This character might not appeal to all drivers. Moderate power output. While sufficient for its class, it's not a performance engine. For drivers seeking strong, sustained acceleration, it may feel underpowered compared to larger engines or turbocharged alternatives. Complexity of hybrid system. For specialized repairs while reliable, the overall hybrid powertrain is technologically complex. Should a major component, like the hybrid transaxle or high-voltage battery, require repair, it could be more involved and potentially costly than a conventional engine repair, requiring specialized tools and expertise. Battery discharge concerns. Early reports. Some early Yaris hybrid owners reported issues with the lithium-ion hybrid battery discharging if the car wasn't driven daily, leading to inability to start. Toyota reportedly acknowledged this as a known issue in some cases, advising owners to use jump starters or solar chargers. This seems to be an isolated or early batch concern, not a widespread engine defect itself. Faults and breakdowns. As a modern Toyota engine, particularly one integrated into a hybrid system, the M15A-FXE is designed for high reliability. Widespread. Systemic faults are not broadly reported. The main points of discussion are three-cylinder characteristics. The inherent vibrations and sound of a three-cylinder engine, while not a fault, can be perceived as a disadvantage by some. Hybrid battery discharge. As mentioned above, some anecdotal reports of the hybrid battery, not the 12V battery, discharging if the car is not driven daily. This appears to be a specific concern for some early models rather than a general engine defect. Engine replacement cost. If a severe internal engine issue were to occur, hybrid powertrain replacement costs can be higher due to the complexity, though this is rare for Toyota hybrids. No widespread reports of head gasket issues or EGR clogging like some older 2ZR-FXE engines, likely due to newer designs and the port injection. Fuel consumption. The M15A-FXE excels in fuel economy. Figures vary by vehicle and trim, but generally. Combined cycle, extremely low, often ranging from 2.8 to 4.5 L/100 km, around 52 to 83 mpg US, depending on the specific vehicle, Yaris Hybrid, Yaris Cross Hybrid, and driving conditions. For example, the Yaris Cross Hybrid 130 can achieve around 3.4 L/100 km in city, for 0.3 L/100 km on highway. WLTP combined. Toyota Yaris 1.5 Hybrid 91 km ECVD is quoted as low as 2.8 L/100 km. Urban driving. It performs exceptionally well in city driving due to frequent reliance on electric power. Timing. The Toyota 1.5 Hybrid M15A-FXE engine uses a timing chain. This means it's designed to last the lifetime of the engine and generally does not require periodic replacement, contributing to lower long-term maintenance costs. Oil. Viscosity. Toyota typically specifies low-viscosity oils for this engine, often C0W8 or C0W16. If 0W8 or 0W16 is unavailable, 0W20 might be a temporary alternative, but always revert to the specified viscosity at the next oil change. Capacity. Approximately 3.4 to 3.6 liters with a filter change, depending on the specific vehicle model. Recommendations. Always refer to your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise and most up-to-date oil specifications and capacity. Use high-quality synthetic motor oil that meets Toyota's latest standards, e.g., APISP, ILSAC GF 6B for 0W8. Regular oil changes according to the manufacturer's schedule are vital. Versions. The M15A-FXE designation details. M15A. Engine series, 1.5-liter displacement. F. Narrow-angle DOHC, double overhead camshaft. X. Denotes an Atkinson cycle engine, optimized for high thermal efficiency in hybrid applications. E. Electronic fuel injection, specifically port injection in this case. The M15A-FXE is a 1.5-liter inline 3-cylinder engine. It's paired with Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive THS2 system, which includes electric motor generators and an ECVT. There have been power output variations. 116 horsepower/85 kilowatts. Combined system output. This was the initial and widely used version, found in models like the 2020 Plus Toyota Yaris Hybrid and Yaris Cross Hybrid. The gasoline engine produces around 90 to 92 horsepower, 67 kilowatts, and 120 newton meters of torque. 130 horsepower/96 kilowatts. Combined system output, a more powerful version introduced around 2023 for updated models, often referred to as Hybrid 130. This version typically features an upgraded electric motor, while the gasoline engine's output remains similar. This variant is found in newer Yaris Cross and Lexus LBX models. Applications include Toyota Yaris Hybrid, XP210 generation, 2020, present. Toyota Yaris Cross Hybrid, 2020, present. Toyota Aqua, MXBK 10/11/15/16, 2021, present, Japan only. Mazda 2 Hybrid, rebadged Yaris Hybrid, 2022, present. Lexus LBX MYH10/15 2023 present. Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyrider Hybrid/Suzuki Grand Vitara Hybrid, India, with M15A-FXE variant. History. The M15A-FXE engine was officially announced in October 2019 as a core component of the new Toyota Yaris XP210 series, built on the TNGA-GB platform. It began production and appeared in vehicles starting in 2020. This engine marked a significant shift for Toyota's compact hybrids, moving to a three-cylinder architecture from the previous four-cylinder 1.51NZ FXE. The move was driven by a relentless pursuit of even higher thermal efficiency, lower emissions, and optimized packaging for smaller vehicles. Its development leveraged Toyota's extensive experience with three-cylinder engines, e.g., in the GR Yaris, and advanced hybrid technology, aiming to deliver class-leading fuel economy without compromising on daily usability. The subsequent introduction of the 130-horsepower version further showcased Toyota's ability to extract more performance from the same fundamental engine design. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.